Hi, I'm Jose de la Portilla, Technical Training Manager for Lennox's HVAC Learning Solutions. Today I want to take the time to show you a quick, simple, and easy test procedure that will allow you to determine if your condensing unit that's sitting outside the home is rejecting the proper amount of heat. Now the beautiful thing about this test is that it's so simple and easy, and it's actually non-invasive, meaning that we don't even have to hook up our gauge set or our manifold set to find out if this thing is putting out the right BTUs. What it does require is three simple tools. One, a tape measure, so we can measure the diameter of the distance across the opening for the condenser fan. Two, a temperature meter that can measure the temperature difference of the air entering the condenser and leaving the condenser up here at the top. And then three, an anemometer that we can use to traverse the top of the condensing unit to get a direct readout of CFM. So I would launch the app for my anemometer, and I would simply traverse, go across the condensing unit at a nice even pace. The beautiful thing about the app we're using right now is that it automatically calculates CFM once we put in the opening of the shroud. When we're done, it gives us a direct CFM readout. In this example, we're moving 3,009 cubic feet of air per minute through the condensing unit. Now all I need to know is a standard, sensible heat formula and a calculator to do the work. So, if I open up my calculator, I can clear it out, take in the CFM, which was 3,003 CFM. I can multiply it times a constant factor of 1.08, which is the specific heat and density of air, and then multiply it by the temperature difference of the air going across the unit. When I hit the equals button, you'll see that this unit is producing 38,918 BTUs of heat, or it's rejecting 38,918 BTUs of heat. If I look at the nameplate on the unit, it's a 3-ton unit, which is rated at 36,000. Now, at this point, a lot of people think we've made an error in our measurement, because if the unit's only rated for 36,000 BTUs of heat, why is it rejecting 38,913? And the answer is that we've absorbed 36,000 BTUs of heat from the house. But then what we did with the refrigerant is put it in the compressor. The heat from the motor was added to the refrigerant, and then to the sheer act of compressing the refrigerant, heated it as well. So what we're measuring here is the total heat of rejection, which should typically always be at least 1 to 1.5 times higher than the heat of absorption. Quick, easy test you can do. The beautiful thing with this is if you're doing preventative maintenance tune-ups, you can take this measurement before you clean the unit and take it again after you clean it. Divide your two numbers out and come up with a percentage of efficiency improvement you've made to the system. Now when you communicate to your homeowner the effectiveness of your tune-up, you can say, I've increased the system efficiency by 10, 12, 15% through our tune-up today. And then ask them, would you like to sign up for our return maintenance program? And you've got the ability to be back to your customer again. Thank you.